Hello, we are a company specializing in solar panel cleaning in South Korea. Our company developed its own solar panel cleaning equipment while experiencing solar panel cleaning work. The advantage of our equipment is that it is a patented product that integrates a high-pressure cleaning nozzle and brush, enabling uniform cleaning of long-distance solar panels. Let me show you a video of cleaning solar panels using our equipment. In addition, our equipment can work optimally in large rooftop solar power plants. If you are interested in selling or purchasing our products, please contact us.